On this example, I also want to show you a really powerful way of sorting out the saturation of certain color. I still couldn't sort out the blue coat over the model, so I want to try something different, and I think it's an amazing technique for you to work if you need to sort out the saturation and color with very specific part on very specific color. So for this I'm using hue saturation, and I'm going to call it blue saturation. So what I'm doing, I'm not just going to move into the blues. First of all, I'm trying to find the color that I don't have on this image, so I will not be sad if I'm actually going to get rid of this. So I will go with magentas. I don't really see magentas on this image, so I will choose this eyedropper, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to choose the color, whether it's over the hat, over the coat, and it automatically applies the color. It picks up the color and apply it into this hue saturation, so it recognizes this as a color blues. So it will be really easy for me just to go down with saturation, and it already helped a lot. So this is the first step, but still it doesn't give me, as you can see, when I see full before and after, it still has this sort of bluish colors. So I would like to work a little bit with the hue, and you can simply experiment, drag it into one side, you can see it becomes much more yellowish, drag it to the other side, also become pretty much the same. But I will go a little bit with this, and I will stop maybe somewhere around this, seeing, as you can see, the color is much better at the moment, and the color gives me real satisfaction. I will change this into the color, and this is how you can truly fix the color you have on the image, how you can really fix the saturation of very specific color.